Today we came to Khor. It is a monastery which is located in Ararat Peninsula, and at the back you can see this is a monastery. This is a place where the Christianity was origin. Christianity rose from here. This is the first place where the people came here, and actually if you see the history, that Saint George, he was imprisoned by the King III of Armenia. He was imprisoned by 13 years. He was imprisoned, and this is the place where prison where the Saint George was imprisoned. And there are two locations inside. If you go, where he was staying there in a small compartment, which I will show you in the video also. This is the one place where he was inside imprisoned for 13 years, and here if you go to this is a prison where Saint George was buried for 13 years, and he was kept here. Later Saint George became the king of this dynasty, of this Khor dynasty, and this was a place where he was staying for 13 years, and he was imprisoned by the king, by the local king here in 300 years when it was BC, it was before Christ. So this is the place where you go, and this is the place where you move out from here. This small chamber, he was imprisoned for 13 years. He was staying inside. You can see his photo also here. This is the monastery. Inside the monastery, we are came down in the ladder, and it's a oldest Christianity where this King George, he was buried here, and people come here, and there's a holy book also here, and there's a lot of souvenirs. The people, they used to ignite. That's why the walls are black, and there's an ecosystem here, and they have put some light here, so that it's visible. Otherwise, in older days there was nothing here. So you can see some khors are there on the mountains. So it's very cold inside. It's not hot. So when you're in for summertime, you can come and you can feel the cold. And here you can put some warm heat, so it can exhaust can go from here. From here, the exhaust can go from the top to this. You can even heat up this place also. So, but basically, this is the inside the church. It will come inside. So, and there's an ecosystem here, and there's another exhaust over there. So there's a ventilation there. There's some kind of ventilation there. So it's a nice space. You can come here. So people are coming down from this, so when they have a space. So let's see. Thank you guys.